Good afternoon. This is today's Squardle for the 27th of April. Going to start off with my normal one, which is stare. Excuse me. So we've got an A in the right place. There's an R in that word. Nothing else at the moment. And the R is not going to be but there. Apron. Oh, right, that's decent. Got an O and an end there for the word going across, which could start with an R. Not like I can think of anything at the moment which would start with an R and end O-N. And going down, we've got an N. We've got no other letters at all. There's not an E in it, though. Right, come on, think of something, and something, normally like something which ends in a D or a Y or something, because that's or an R. Don't know. No, nothing. There's no O's in it. There's an O. No, well, there's an O there, which we know, because it is there. Got nothing across there. There's not an S and a T in it. And we got, well, all we know is there's an R in that word. And nothing else. There's no A, there's no S, there's no T, there's no E, there's no D. There is an R. Going. Oops. Must give us something. All right, that's not too bad. We've got an N and G, although it doesn't end ing. But there is an E and I in this letter, which could be but there. Which I'm sure there must be a few words that I can think of. Something iron, fire, and white. No, I can't really think of anything at the moment. Or it could be ending ION. I was going to say action, but that's too many words, too many letters. Could see, it could be something like onion, I suppose, or something like that, or union. So that would end ONG or UNG. And I will put an I there. An I there. There's no other letters at the moment. Or actually, saying that, there is an O. So I either starts O something NG or ONG, which could be onion. So I need a word going down there, which has got an I as a third letter, and there's nothing else to go on. Arid, no, alive. I will put the I in the right place, and the I is in the right place, so I think that is onion going across there. And that's pretty much still the only thing we got going. We've got an N in the third letter, which could be anything really. Let's try funny. I've only got 4 guesses left, and we've got the Y in the right place, but there. And that's GU something Y. Gummy. Gunny. We're back by here. So we think that's an O. Haven't got anything else really. Something on. Wrong. And wrong is right. So we've got the first word in, which gives us our bonus guesses up. We're now going to put onion in, which I think is the only thing it can be. So staying on the 4 guesses. Now that, right, so that's not funny. What else could it be? I guess that could be gusty. Let's try gusty. Gusty is right. So that's going to be arids. No. A a miss. We're going back by here now. We've got something W, something A. There's no N, there's no G, there's no D, there's no E. Bit at loss, to be honest, on that one. And this one is going to be something. There's no U, E, O, U, or E. So it's got to be an A or an I in that word there. An A would be, and it's not double NY, and it's not NDY. Anti. Oh no, there's no U, so it can't be anti. It can't be runny. Ginny, is that a word? I don't think it is. Finny, mini, ninny. Ninny, is ninny a word? Oh no, it can't be double N. Come on, Ant. Can't be windy or something like that. Inky. Kinky. Kinky. Could be kinky. And then that would be whack. Whack and kinky. Well, can't think of anything else at the moment. Right, oh, that looks like it could be right. So let's try kinky. Which would be a straight, oops, try, oh no, it's not, oh, I put kinky in the wrong place. I did say that was going to be a miss, didn't we? Yeah, kinky was right, and we got this one as being a miss. And that's right as well, with 2 guesses to go. Quite strange, some strange words there. Whack, kinky. Other than that, the other words are okay. It's quite often you see these words ending in Y and N and D. So there we go. Another Squardle done. I hope you enjoyed. If you do watch it, please do consider giving me a like and subscribing. Thank you very much. Bye.